So obviously this is another kendama unboxing. That's like the only videos I make nowadays. But yeah, this kendama I am super excited for. This is the Miguel Pro Mod from Lock Studios. I have never tried a Lock Studios kendama, so I'm excited for that, and it being the Miguel Pro Mod for my first Lock Studio kendama. Yeah, Miguel's just worked so hard to get this Pro Mod. Extremely excited for him. And yeah, I'm excited to try this kendama out. I got this kendama off of Kendama Depot. They're releasing it on Kendama Depot and the Lock Studios website. But Kendama Depot sold out like extremely fast. There was probably only several kendamas on the website versus Lock Studios had more, I think. And I think this is a weight matched. Nice little note. Put that there. Comes in a nice little bag with Miguel's logo and his name. That's his logo with the squirrel. Miguel de la Torre Pro Model. White bag with this black string. Let's open it up. Nothing else in the box before we open it up. String pack, extra string, nothing else in the bag. So this is, from the note it said this is an 81 gram tama and an 80 gram ken, so almost perfectly weight matched. Wow. Nice. Got the little sticker with the weight. Man, this is a nice green. Miguel mentioned that green is one of his favorite colors, and green is also my favorite color, so I knew I had to get that. Wow. This shape is just so unique compared to other kendamas, especially near the ring stall. Like, it's so different than most kendamas, which I really like. That's what helps this company to stand out with this shape. This shape is the DBX shape, I believe. And their kendamas, I heard, are just extremely good for lunars, like probably one of the best. I know I've said Analog has like the best lunar kendamas, but this might overtake that. Wow, look at that. It's almost like parallel to the ground, the ken. That giant base cup hole. Man, this Pro Mod is amazing. So let's break down the tama a little bit. Got the acorn on the top for tracking. The dark green on the top of the tama, then it fades to like a lighter green. Then the stripe on the tama are these branches of a tree. Then it has like the 70-30 split with the white and the brown stripes near the bevel. Big bevel. Comes with a bearing bead. Black string. And for the ken, it has their logo, the sticker, shiny seal, then the spike. It's a little curved, it's a little different, the spike. It's not like a straight line to the tip, it's more like a curved tip. And then there's all these holes around the ken. I guess you can string it in any of these. So if you want it like on the center, you can have it there, or if on the side to help with more ken rotations to make it faster. I know Green Theory had that before. It was the wormhole where you can like put it on the side, closer to the on this side, and it would help with like rotations. On the ken, it says San Jose. That's the kendama community that Miguel is a part of in San Jose. I competed actually in the San Jose Kendama Open tournament. I filmed that for part of my kendama documentary that I made. And that was along the edge of the small cup. Along the edge of the big cup are squirrels just chasing each other, which is pretty cool. Then along the sword, they got footprints because Miguel loves to be outdoors and hike. And then his logo. Oh, and then on the bottom of the small cup, there's a V. Miguel's been vegan for a while. I don't know if you can see that, if it'll focus. Yeah, so that's the tama and the ken. String length about 10-ish. Yeah, let's try lunar balance again. Yeah, lunars are gonna be so easy with this. And if you didn't notice already, I'm actually standing up, so that's why I'm moving around more. I thought I'd just change it up for this video. But yeah, that is Miguel's Pro model. Oh, I forgot to mention Maple Ken, Beach Tama, so when this breaks in, it'll be amazing for stalls. Slingers, let's see slingers. And the seal is falling off. I'm gonna need to like super glue it or something. Okay, let's see, slingers. Usually slingers on a really lunar heavy kendama aren't the best, but it's not too bad actually. Ken flips. Let's try some stalls. Let's try a handle stall. Wing. Oh, if I got that first try. You're pretty good for stalls too. Anyways, oh, you know what I'm gonna do? I'm gonna take down this poster because this is gonna help the Chiefs to lose. Because we can't have them three-peat. Sorry, Taylor. Has to be done. And the Eras Tour is over anyway, so there's no point in having it up. Okay. I was thinking maybe I should put I have another kendama rack somewhere in the house, but maybe I'll put one next to here so I can have, instead of just 5 kendamas, I can have a total of 10. Anyways, yeah, that does it for the Miguel Pro model unboxing. I hope you guys enjoyed it. And again, congrats to you, Miguel, for getting your own Pro model. This is a super sick kendama. Green, such a nice color. I'm gonna jam this a lot. And this is just, yeah, such a dope kendama. Should I yank this? So that does it for the video. Thank you guys for watching, and I'll see you guys in the next one.